We're also going to be running the lines from this post here to the handles on the inside part of each ladder, and they're going to be running right about head level, so just kind of watch out for the quarterback is going to let you know. On deck, wake!
Alright friends, so sorry, I'm gonna slide through as we bounce a little bit here.
And I one more volunteer.
Made a mess of this. Pardon me.
Anybody?
Yeah, that's so beautiful to see you.
Okay, I'll grab both. 3 days ago. Go around. Way. We have to go right.
Alright, I'm gonna lift this up, guys, so watch your hands and arms and such.
Yep. Okay. This way. Okay, this here.
That ladder has the naval what?
Halyard. And this.
Right there.
Well, yeah, it probably is.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is blue plains over here.
Huh?
This is blue plains right here.
I know, but what's that ladder?
I say on the Halyard hallway.
Oh, research.
You guys need to pull it.
It could be where.
What am I going to say?
Hey Rob, can you be on the down hall?
Alright, grab on.
We don't want to.
Joe Clark.
We want him loose all the way. Can you go forward to the down hall? Oh, just kidding.
So ever since you told me that.
Ready?
Ready on the sheets.
Sheets eye. You guys ready? Alright, ready. Down hall eye. 10 the sheets. Cast the down hall. On the halyard Holloway. There you go. Yeah, we're together. Keep going. It's going to be easy at first and get harder as you go. There you go.
Wow, is that so interesting?
Halfway there. Keep going.
Can you applaud? Are they doing a really
Keep
good
going,
job?
keep going. Give them some encouragement, guys.